Hey guys, and thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. So today's video is going to be 4 Dollar Tree DIYs that you can do at home. It's simple and it's definitely an easy Dollar Tree DIY. So definitely easy on the pocket. So spring is coming around and I am just so excited about spring because I don't like to be cold, but of course I experienced the winter here. So I'm getting all my house ready for spring. I know spring is the first day of spring. It's what, the 20th of this month of March. So of course I had to get my bunny ears in order to just share this DIY with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this DIY. Are you ready for spring? I know that I am. And all the things that it brings. My little ones, they're not little anymore, so they really don't do Easter egg hunting, but I'm pretty sure that your little ones do. So I am so excited to share this with you guys. Thank you so much for tuning back in. Get ready for spring together. Let's do these 4 cheap DIYs that will be super easy and cheap. Of course, they're from the Dollar Tree, so I try to keep it that way. Of course, if not, then I try to keep it on the lowest budget. I know we're all on budgets. Well, not everybody, but we're on budgets. I am on a budget. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY that I'm doing for you guys today. And let's get ready for spring. I'm so ready. Thank you so much. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Mo and welcome to my channel. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Okay guys, so for this DIY, I call it with my egg tree. You're gonna need your Dollar Tree vase. I got this square shaped one because that's the one that I wanted, but you can get whichever one that you want from Dollar Tree. So I got this one. And then these branches, you just can go outside and get them and spray paint them. You can put glitter on them, and you get the glitter from Dollar Tree and spray and put them on there. Not spray paint them, but you can add glue and then put glitter on them, and they do sell the glitter at Dollar Tree. So these are, you can get these outside twigs from your house and you can use these. So I got a few of these to try to make it work. And then of course this is from Dollar Tree. They sell it in a roll like this. So I did get that. So I just cut this to size just for the sake of time. And then of course some Dollar Tree ribbon. And I got this pink one here. And then I got this floral foam, so I cut this in half. They sell like in 3 packs, so I did get this. You can get this at Dollar Tree as well, and that's gonna go in the center here of your vase. Okay, and of course you are going to need some twine. It comes in a 3 pack also at Dollar Tree. And then I got these cute little eggs that you can get at Dollar Tree. They sell them like this, and they have different colors on them, and they have these ribbons that's attached to them to help them to attach to the tree that we're gonna make. And then of course I always get these beautiful white rocks from Dollar Tree as well. So everything here you see is from the Dollar Tree, except your free twig that you can get from outside, but everything else from Dollar Tree. So okay, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna put your floral foam into the vase, as you can see, like this. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to kind of position your twigs here, what I call our tree branches, which we're going to use. So I might not use both of these, so I'm going to try to position it in here. And it's going to look something like this. Okay, so you're just going to stick it into the floral foam, have them kind of, you know, you want to get a branch that has, a twig that has multiple limbs on them. Okay, so after messing around with this is how it's gonna look when you're done wrapping the twine to hold it in place. The next thing you're going to do, and let me zoom out for you to see. Next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna get your eggs from the Dollar Tree, and you're gonna begin decorating, adding the different colors to the limbs as if you're decorating a tree. This is how it looks. Let me just bring this up for you. This is how my little egg tree looks, as you can see. So that is it for this project right here, and let's move on to the next one. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this next project is a long, tall vase. These is gonna be a quick, simple Dollar Tree DIY. So this project here is just gonna cost you $2. So you're just gonna get this one, or whatever vase you want. I choose this one because this is what I'm gonna be layering with. So I just got this Dollar Tree vase over here. And then you're gonna need just one pack. I got this cute pack from Dollar Tree. 8 eggs, glittery eggs that I got. So I'm gonna be using these as vase fillers, and I'm gonna use this on my mantle. So it's gonna be pretty simple. So all you're gonna do is grab your decorative eggs, like I'm doing right now, and you're just gonna fill them in. I thought this was very cute for my mantle, and so this is it for this particular DIY. Okay, for the next DIY, we're going to be making this cute bunny garland. You guys know that I'm so into garland. I have to decorate my mantle. So as you can see, look how cute this is. This is a cute bunny garland, and I made one for Valentine's Day. If you haven't seen that one, I will link that video down below and how to make it. But these were cutout felts. You can get these at the Dollar Tree, Walmart, and you can also get this at Target. So, and then this ribbon here, this ribbon is from Dollar Tree as well. So you would need some glue, your cutout bunny felts, and I use, it's like 2 bunnies per each bunny that I do onto the garland. I've already glued these on just for the sake of time. So I'm just going to show you how I put my last bunny on there with my glue. So with today's glue that I'm going to need is just my tacky glue. You can get the Dollar Tree glue, but I just had this on hand, and this is tacky glue from Aleene's. So same way that you saw me do my Valentine's Day stuff, if you hadn't seen that, I will go ahead and take the bunny and definitely give them a good distance in between. So what I'm going to do is take my glue and that is that for this project. For my last DIY, guys, it's going to be very simple. I got some cute grass from the Dollar Tree. Of course, this pack is $1. That's $1. I got a vase to put my this decor in. This is a very simple. So I'm just trying to keep it simple and cheap for you guys. And at the same time, it still looks glamorous. It still looks so cute and pretty, so you can decorate your area. So I got these bushels of white flowers that I've had. And you can get these at Dollar Tree. You might want to get 2. It depends on the size of your vase. And then I got these cute pink ones because they are going to look so cute for Easter. And if you want to get any other color like yellow, I think that would be really cute. So I would say just go ahead and pick whichever color that you want. And I chose this color because I think it was going to go very cute with my decor in my living room. This is my project for this, as you can see. So that was the 4 DIYs for Dollar Tree DIYs for Easter. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it's as easy to make. And let me know which one you liked. Just leave the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below, guys. I would love to have you part of the Mobella family. Guys, I really hope that you enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoyed making these DIYs to put over my house. I can't wait to hear what you guys have made. Please share with me. What are you guys putting around your house? I would love to hear that. And don't forget to live your life beautifully, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.